Boop. What you gonna do? What you gonna do now? Come here. You trying to find the hamster? Now you don't know what to do. You poor thing. Do you smell a hamster in there? Is there a hamster? What do you think? Get it? You think so? Is it really stuck? It's really stuck. Oh my gosh. Boop. How am I gonna do this? I might need 2 hands. There you are. You're rescued. Don't do it again, you goofball. There's no hamster in there. There's no hamster. No, there's no hamster. Oh, that's too funny. What are you gonna do? You know it's not in there.